Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada for one more learning video tutorial on how to create a Telegram bot. Okay, so here what we are going to do in this specific video is we are going to send alert or text messages in Telegram from Python. Okay, so first of all, I just gonna show you how you can check for the bot, which is if you search this thing you will get this bot of mine. Okay, or otherwise you can search trade underscore profit underscore bot. Okay, and if you just click on this one you will reach to my bot. Okay, so there is nothing is there as of right now. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how you can send the messages. Two things are required. So first of all we require a token and a chat ID. Okay, so for that where we can visit bot further. Okay, if you are not getting bot further you can search the bot further. Okay, and try to get the bot further. Okay, and if you get the bot further here, okay, first messages will be this one, so you can try these things. Okay, so all you have to say is /start and it will give you options. Okay, and you have to click on /new bot and you have to give a name. Trade.profit.web.com, it is my name and you can give yours. So I've been created as a bot earlier. With this bot I've been already deleted. Okay, so you can check it out. So this access token you will get. So this token has been invalidated. So it is you don't have to try this one. You have to get your own bot and you should not share this bot to anyone. Okay, especially if you are operating. Okay, otherwise you can delete the bot as well with the help of these options. You are feeling insecure about these things. So you can set the name and can try these things. Okay, and if you want to delete, so you can delete as well. Okay, so now if all you have to do is you have to get this token, and then after this there is nothing requirement as of this one. Okay, all the thing will get done from the Python, and the communications, each and everything will be get done from the Python point of view. If anything required needs to be followed from the menu, you can check this stuff. Okay, so now let's move to our text editor. Okay, so we'll start our programming. So first of all, I'm not going to utilize any kind of a prepared module. I'm going to utilize a request. Okay, so which will be import request, and it is one of my favorite library, especially for the CRUD operations. Okay, so CRUD operations will be create, read, update and delete. Okay, and other things like as a request, what are the things you can do as an HTTP request or send API. Okay, you can get that post. Okay, I mean can post or otherwise you can patch. Okay, put. Okay, and the end you can delete. So these are the things you can perform with the help of request. So do try, it is one of the best. So I'm gonna get the chat ID of mine and post some of the things. Okay, now chat ID and this token should be in it's an authorization mode, so it should be confidential. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same. Okay, so if I'm gonna utilize my chat ID, what it will do, it should process the information which I'm looking for. So what I have to say, chat underscore ID. Okay, and before getting into this I have to give a base URL which will be base underscore URL, and here I'm giving this URL which will be https api dot telegram.org/bot, as simple as that. Okay, and here you have to give the token. Okay, so I already contain this token in my folder, so I have to say simply token equals open. Okay, token dot txt, and I have to read this stuff. Okay, so I will read in this way. So if any comma space is there, it will try to avoid and read me things which I am looking for. Okay, so here we are done with our base URL, and providing the token. Okay, now we will move to the chat ID. So what are the things I have to give? So I have to get this chat ID with the request dot get, and I have to give this base underscore URL, which will be in a format of this one. Okay, contain in a curly bracket, and all I have to say get updates. Okay, so these are the things. If I say this stuff, I'll get the chat ID, and especially if I have to get the exact chat ID, I have to go through the result, okay, JSON format, and zeroth will be there on that one. So in will be message, and you have to say chat, and at the end ID, simple as it is. Okay, so if we process this information correctly, we are able to get what we are looking for. And if few lines of code, I'm ready to send the alert. So I'll have to say send alert, and in this what I have to give, same as with this one, with the request, okay, dot get, and I have to supply this everything same as it is with the send message. Okay, so here instead of get updates, all I have to say send messages. Okay, send messages or message. Okay, you can utilize if it gives an error. Now rest we have to give the required things. So if the base URL, if I am trying to get here, okay, so token I have been given, and send messages. After I have to give as a question mark, and I have to supply the parameters, so that will be chat underscore ID. Okay, so we'll supply the same variable, and with the ampersand I have to say text as well. So I will give the text to supply here. Okay, so we'll say chat underscore ID, and after this we have to supply the text. So we'll give a text variable as well. Okay, so if I believe the next thing I have to give is text. So for the text it will be like in this way, or code visit, okay, website. For website it will be my personal website. Okay, and for learning video, visit YouTube, which will be an HTTPS to .com/profit/videos. So that's it. Okay, so these are the text you have to supply. So I need to check if I'm not mistaken, it will definitely gonna send this messages. Okay, and you have to get this as in JSON parenthesis, and you have to say in a result, and in the end you have to say in a text. Okay, so that's it. So we'll print this stuff and we'll check whether we are doing correct or not. Okay, so we are getting an error as in this, so we need to check where we are doing some mistake. So Telegram here, once again we will run. So it is finished, and still we are getting errors. We need to check what token we have been supplied already. 10 issues. So result, okay, so here it will be because we need to get in JSON, and then only we should format this stuff. Okay, so I think here we are getting a response. Okay, So it is telling me that I am getting some messages which need to be checked. So I believe in this JSON result will be there, and in the end text will be there. So what is the error? It is telling me that I am getting the error in result. So instead of messages, I think it should be message. That is okay. Okay, so perfect. We got our messages, and it is not giving the perfect this thing. Okay, maybe I should try for one more thing. Okay, so I think I got our messages. So let me show you the stuff. Okay, so as you can see, I'm ready to get these messages. The only thing while passing this text, you need to remember that giving an and maybe like let for other things as well. So you need to choose the proper text. Okay, so if I give this stuff, I maybe receive these messages. Okay, so you need to follow this syntax. I was worried about these things, as if you like any kind of mistakes if you will do, okay, you won't get the proper output. Okay, and I will definitely gonna give this code. You can check in my websites and you know where to check. Okay, so I definitely gonna create bot. Okay, especially like having algorithms for like for analysis and trading purposes. So I must say you can subscribe to my this Telegram channel, which is will I will post my updates. Okay, so you can check this t.me/profit@web. Okay, so this is the channel you need to check. It will be available. The rest of the things, if any update is there, I will give it in my board. So that is also you can check it out. Okay, so now you need to understand this running bot or any information which I'm gonna share will be having a server is also required. Otherwise, from my laptop or for any other sources from OS, you need to be like process the information. Then only it will be alive. Otherwise, it will be a static one. Okay, if you want to be in a dynamic, then you require a server or any of the stuff to process the information. So right now, if I am passing any kind of information, it will definitely gonna do. Okay, so suppose if I take it out this, if I take it out this stuff and just keep it the learning video, so you will check this stuff. Okay, so this is how you process the information, and so this is how you do some analysis and you will get the results. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.